Moving on, now we have the eighth contestant for today. That is CA.Priya Seht ji. Priya ji, over to you. You have 10 minutes and your time starts now.
I will begin with the story quickly. So it was a good Friday. I walked into my office in the early morning hours with a big, very, very big smile on my face, thinking that I have about 4 to 5 stock audit reports to review, and I would be done by the first half. And I, in fact, made plans for the evening as well. By the time I started working on file number one, slowly and steadily, the smile started turning into a frown. And what was supposed to take few hours took me the entire day. The reason was that the particular stock report needed that I stated the sales of the entire financial year in a month-wise chronological manner in lakhs. And the source of that file was GSTR-3B, which is the outward supply. So what my staff and I as a reviewer was also doing was that I used to open the folder of GSTR-3B, click each and every file, read through it, add it up either mentally or on the calculator or the Excel, and there used to be errors. While doing so, I used to further convert it into lakhs and then copy paste it in the Word file. Now comes the time when my smile started coming back, which is where I created the EXE based tool, which is a Python based tool, which I would share right away. So it's called GSTR-3B Extractor. You can see it on my screen. It's called GSTR-3B Extractor EXE. It's a completely offline tool. Therefore, your data privacy is also maintained. So when I click on it, waiting for it to execute, you see on the screen, it asks you to select the particular folder which contains the GSTR-3B. So I click on this folder, select folder. I choose the folder which contains my GSTR-3B, which is on my desktop over here, and I simply click on select folder. Having done that, let's chit chat for a few seconds and see what it does. For the time being, I would simply show you what the 3B folder has. It has the 12 months 3B on your screen. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 12. And while we were talking, the backend process was happening. And I could see a sound in my system which says extraction complete, and it is saved to the same folder. And while I was talking to you, the folder already had this Excel file created at 5:12 p.m. Let me double click and show what magic it did and what really brought back the smile on my face. So the entire sheet is chronologically arranged from April to March. On the extreme left-hand side, everything is properly formatted and auto width is done. Value A, B, C, and E, which is actually the outward taxable supply as reported in GSTR-3B, is clearly mentioned here. Their total is mentioned and the value is already converted into lakhs. Now what my team needs to do is simply copy paste it in the report. Let's cross-check it from one of the GSTRs, which is already saved in the folder for July month. For the month of July, you can see the taxable figure is 51,445,459, taking just the A column. Cross-checking it for July and highlighting it on your screen, July month is 51,444,559. And in fact, the column number C is 1724, which has been actually added. And mathematically, if I select both of them, the total matches with the total which is mentioned on the screen. And further, it is rightfully converted into lakhs as well. This is how AI helped me and gained back my smile as well as the confidence. And having done this, my smile came back, and that brings me to the end of my presentation, which is really short but very useful as well. Open to the questions, Yuri.
Great, ma'am. Nice presentation, first of all. First, that I would like to know that what kind of a stock report that we are talking here, and can you just explain me a little bit, because I didn't get your idea properly that what we are automating here, and what are the tech stack that you have used, and you have made a exe file, but in which tech stack?
Okay. This is a stock audit report that I have. Let me just check if I have a sample of the screen. Yeah, here is the sample report. This particular segment of the stock audit report needs that the sales be reported in a chronological fashion. On your screen, you can see April till March. This is the format of the report. The sales have to be mandatorily reported in the report, and the source of the sales is the GSTR-3B of the SSE over here. So what was initially being done was that all 12 months GSTR-3B was being manually opened. Like I opened January, February, March, and so on. All the figures of the taxable column used to be copied or written by hand or copied in Excel or calculator and then added up because it has multiple columns of taxable figure and then copied back in this Word file, this sample report like this. All of this was leading to a lot of errors and wastage of time. Because of which I created this Python-based tool, which is called the GSTR-3B Extractor. So it allows the user to select the particular folder which contains the GSTR-3B, and it does the process all automatically. The output so received is what you have to simply copy paste. The last column. I hope I'm able to answer that, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Now the tech stack, please.
Come again?
What are the technology that you use to make this app?
Okay, the tech stack. Okay. So Python has been used to deploy it along with the libraries, the Tesseract, OpenPyXL, Pandas. And I, in fact, made the exe file all by myself. And I would like to also show the actual folder which contains all the tech files. So I had a chit chat with ChatGPT and it gave me the entire code for for Python. So I opened this py file with the notepad and I ran a few commands. This is the entire script. And the exe file was created in distribution folder here. So entire software runs completely offline, and there are certain other libraries like Poplar, etc., which are also installed.
Understood. Great.
Thank
Rahulji?
you, sir. Yes,
On a
sir.
technical side, why are you using Tesseract when you're already using PDF Plumber?
You're right.
Because
That is because
everything, yes, please.
please
Sorry.
complete.
Yeah, because both does the same thing. Tesseract also extracts images from text from the PDF. PDF Plumber also does the same.
So basically, this is what ChatGPT automatically installed all by itself, all the tech stack. It was not manually added that you specifically use Tesseract or PDF Plumber. Besides, this also has the ability to scan the scanned documents, which I have not used till now, but it has the
For
capability
that,
of
Tesseract
using.
is good. For that,
So that
Tesseract
is
is good.
why, yeah. So that
But
is
if you're
why
using PDF
ChatGPT.
Plumber, sorry, I'm breaking. The PDF Plumber is best when already the text is in the table format. So because GSTR-3B is already in the table format, the best way of extracting the data would be Tabula or PDF Plumber. So you're using PDF Plumber. I'm not getting the point why you're using Tesseract.
As I said, it has already been pre-installed by ChatGPT because
Okay.
of the instruction.
Okay.
So I did not specifically mention that I will be giving you a PDF only. I simply said you have to extract from GSTR-3B. So it used its own intelligence that it could be scanned as well as PDF. So probably that is why it pre-installed both of them.
Got it. That's from my
Thank you
side.
so much for the input.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jury. Thank you, Priya ji, for a wonderful presentation.